Um, this is Viviana, Carly, and Barbara, and we are here to lay to rest our dear friend Thud, who flew into the window of Community School South at Broward Community Schools, and now he is dead. So we want to say a little prayer over Thud, and then we want to lay him to rest in a very respectable and honorable way. Whenever you're ready, Viviana. Get in there.
Let me help you.
Okay.
Dear God, in this very solemn moment, please give Thud the courage to continue his journey to your land, the Holy Land, where he will rest in peace. He will be with his other bird members. He will be with his family. He'll be with his aunts, his uncles, his cousins, his great aunts, his great uncles, his great cousins, his great great aunt, his great great father, great great grandfather, the whole family. Thud, it was wonderful knowing you. We'll miss you. And God bless.
Amen.
Give us the courage to see ourselves through this difficult time of our loss. Amen.
Can we have one last viewing of Thud, please?
He's resting peacefully.
Okay. If we want to take him under and all of us can throw one handful of dirt on Thud.
Yes.
Please.
We're so lucky to find the coffin.
It's a very nice coffin.
Yes.
Viviana. Okay. Rest in peace, Thud.
Goodbye, Thud.
I gotta get mine in there. Could you hold the camera while I give one little piece of... Bye, Thud! So you can finish covering him up, please. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord.